If you have baby potatoes, please make this. Very few ingredients and result is just amazing. It's perfect as a after school snack or a side dish. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So today we are making roast potatoes, garlic roast potatoes without oven. For this, we need baby potatoes and try to choose the baby potatoes of similar size. So first we need to parboil these potatoes, and for that here I have good amount of boiling water. Into goes good amount of salt. Please check your water. The water should be really salty. And now we'll just wash our potatoes just to make sure you avoid any dirt, and then we are going to put the potatoes into hot water. And we are going to boil these potatoes until it's fork tender. So it's half cooked. It roughly takes 12 to 15 minutes. So once you put your fork and you can easily insert your fork inside the potatoes, that means your potato is done. So it depends on the potato, but it doesn't take more than 15 minutes. So now we'll just drain our potatoes and allow it to cool down. And let's start our cooking process. For that, here I got around 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and into goes around 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, which is around 4 to 5 big cloves of garlic finely chopped. And we are going to cook our garlic on low flame for around 1 minute. So until the garlic color changes, for roughly around 1 minute on low flame. We just want the garlic to nicely infuse in olive oil. Our garlic looks good, so here I'm adding around 2 medium size of onion, thinly sliced. And we are going to cook these onion for another 1 to 2 minutes. You can add some salt, it helps the onion to cook fast. And we are just going to cook these onion until it's nice and soft. And this is the recipe for around 750 gram of baby potatoes, which is good for 4 to 5 serving. Our onion is nicely cooked and it's nice and soft. It's been cooking for around 2 minutes. So here I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, which you can increase or decrease according to your taste buds. And I just cut these potatoes into 2 halves. According to the size of potatoes, you can cut the potatoes into more pieces, but do leave the skin on. The skin of the potato really tastes nice in this recipe. So now we are just going to combine everything well, and we are going to cook the potatoes for around 8 to 10 minutes on low medium heat, stirring now and then. After 10 minutes, you can increase your flame little bit, and here you are going to add some seasoning. For seasoning, if you have fresh rosemary available, that goes really well with this. I don't have it available, so I'm just going to use Italian seasoning, which we often have it at home. What we use for pasta or spaghetti, just normal Italian seasoning. And I've also added some salt and pepper according to the taste. And now we are just going to cook the potatoes for another 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame until it's nice and golden. Our potato is looking good now. It's almost ready. As you can see, it's nice and golden. The onion is nicely caramelized, and it goes so well with baked chicken or garlic bread. My kids love it. I often serve this for after school snack. It's nice and filling and healthy. It's easy to prepare, not many ingredients. I hope you like this recipe, and we have many more similar recipes on our channel. So please do give it a like if you like this recipe and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.